Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Cat Runner game on your laptop. First, you will need to download an Android emulator, which creates a virtual Android environment on your computer. This allows you to run mobile applications directly on your desktop. Make sure your laptop has at least 4 GB of RAM and a modern processor for smooth performance. This setup is the primary method for enjoying mobile games on a larger screen. Once the emulator installer is downloaded, locate the file and double-click to begin. The installation wizard will guide you through several steps, including agreeing to terms and selecting an installation directory. It's important to follow these prompts carefully to ensure proper setup. After installation, the emulator will typically launch automatically, or you can find its icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. With the emulator running, you will find an icon for the Google Play Store, similar to what you see on an Android phone. Click on this icon to open the store. Use the search bar at the top to type Cat Runner and press Enter. Once you locate the game, simply click the Install button. The game will download and install directly into your virtual Android environment, usually taking only a few moments. For the best experience, explore the emulator's settings to optimize performance. You can often allocate more RAM or CPU cores to the emulator if your system allows. Crucially, configure keyboard controls to mimic touch gestures, such as using the arrow keys for movement or the spacebar for jumping. This customization provides a more comfortable and precise way to play Cat Runner on your laptop, offering a much larger and more immersive view.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.